Obo call him. King lady ask Obo. King lady tell Obo say talk truth for this video. King Obo call him. As Obo call him, Obo they explain. I was watching. Listen whether Obo go talk say he fuck Monica. Obo no talk and say he fuck Monica. It be like say the network of Obo, he can't wait for Obo come out. Then I don't call him. King lady just pick my call. Go and say, love kill ya. Love kill ya day here. Now tell King lady say, that package when they run. Say may he quit. Say, Obo don't talk say he no fuck. The question when you ask him, Obo say he no fuck. Now say me say true. That video when King lady they do. Now tell Obo say no call in for this live video again. Can't they disgrace yourself? I said it years back. Una when don't buy phone today, una talk on they tell me. Now maybe king, queen or saga. Now that mean they do saga that year. I know say lunatic like una go full Facebook. Now make me quit. I quit when I know say useless people they are coming on this social media. I left before una arrive. I left before una arrive. Now I say true. Now I say message true. King lady live video to Obo. I tell Obo say, oh why now what? No call they disgrace yourself for here. No call they disgrace yourself. Now King lady they say speak English. I know they hear Ishan. I tell them say me Obo enter house. Now me talk and I King lady they say hey lovely, hey lovely, hey lovely. When King lady was calling Obo to call in, Obo no call in again. Now so that live video now so it take boom. People went there on Facebook because they say, ha, lovely don't see scatter this area again. Una they learn. When it comes for saga, una they learn. For they look comments. People go they say, hey, lovely don't scatter here again. I keep going to say, hey, lovely don't scatter my platform again. Obo no calling. I told Obo say no calling. Now rubbish, now you they talk. Yeah, rubbish you ta. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? How many times are you going to come out? They repeat the same thing. Good afternoon, my darling. He confirm for King Lady platform. He say he no sleep with Monica. Why did they talk of adulterers? Adulterers, if somebody sleep with you, who they say he follow you do the adulterers, say he no fuck the woman. They go say swear, you fuck this woman, go say I no fuck her. If they carry her, they go juju. Now there people come, then the men will come to say, you know true fuck. Obo say you know fuck Monica. Obo talk. Then why Obo they carry juju? Obo, why are you carrying juju? Are you carrying juju for your camera when you lost? For your camera when they don't give you? Or for money when they hold you? Now you they carry juju put. You know they carry juju put for any adulterers. Adulterers mean when okweawe he ogwohwo lobie, but Obo say he no sleep with Monica. Why una they kill rod lizard? They give Obo make Obo the chop. Obo o mi ogbon o e gbere nyele. Yes, I say we na vai. O mi ogbon na rod lizard. Now they take feed you. To be honest. Yes. Obo said it years back. When Obo do that live video, now don't say that time when they talk so, me with Monica, they do saga. Yes, me with Monica, they do saga. Now there people call they talk say, they don't understand this lovely. I see with Monica, they fight rich. If truth still there for Monica's side, lovely, they still can't talk. I tell them one day, say, me with her, they fight. But if truth there for this social media, I go talk. That time with Monica, we they fight. Who do saga reach me with Monica for this social media? He not there. Me with Monica saga now bomba to bomba. But if he still do something where he still good sometimes, I see they talking. I know they use hatred, they keep person. To be honest, Obo talking, ho-ha. Say, you not sleep with Monica. Adulterous, you don't know the meaning of adulterous. Illiterate people. Person, when they follow sleep, Iyeke wemuna abi odao wemuna. They will ask the man say, where you for enter the woman? Now back he give you. abi to well over your where you for fucker. Now inside bush you for fucker, abi which house you for fucker. Or na hotel, now you for fuck this man wife. Now the man go use mouth to say, see where for fucker. But your boss say, he no fucker. Now what your boss talk? He no fucker. Huh? Is there where they push you? Huh? Person touch person. Oh man, you born woman. Person touch person like this. Then they swipe for that one. Person touch me. Touch me. Okay, I touch you. Go swipe. Say I touch you. Touch me. Now that they carry juju put. I touch my leg. Now that they carry juju put. Wait till touch. Wait till that they carry juju put. Or wait till that they do cleansing. I will are to where well over here. He get that time for Isha. Your mother can never allow their daughter to use their wrapper, carry come out, lie. You see, the wrapper when mama they wear, wrapper when mama they wear. If your daughter carry that wrapper wear, go my house, go to Duvaga. That is they follow the wrapper, they come house. Something will come they happen for the house. If they can't go out, they will say, now if pikin carry the cloth, go in boyfriend house. Okay, see you, mom. Don't be so now come Facebook for yeah. Una because of that they fight irrelevant fight. Una one person they follow now they fight that irrelevant fight. Like waiting you're talking, you're say waiting on both talk years back. Not be the same on both can talk now. Not be the same. If they bring juju come, wait till you talk years back. No be can't talk now. You can't talk different thing. They others and they can't say they go bring juju. They go bring juju. All those when juju don't already spoil their life. They don't care. If they can't bring juju, they happy say oh, they don't bring juju, they don't bring juju. These people they be feeding with juju. Okay, if you can't reach native.on, if you reach where you go, okay. The people go even ask yourself, elderly people go ask you, say, come, your boy, why you they drag yourself? You sleep with this woman? About what I say, no, you don't sleep with this woman. Okay, why do they drag yourself? Yes. Where did they drag person say, if the woman, they fuck, now they take the drag. If you say you touch the woman, nothing there. Now that fuck, now be the important is say, A.K.A. allow he say, penis enter inside. Now it matter. If penis enter inside toto, now it matter. Not be I touch you, I touch you, I touch you, I touch you. If una reach that they talk of adulterers, una run go there. Ah, now una born different children. When we say if they say me they can run the DNA test now, all of una children are bastard. Now una see they come they talk. Egba fuere Henley, how you dey? They are so irrelevant. They want to say me I can't join them now today. Evil people when they know evil, they never even enter abroad that time. When they dey Morocco, Mali, Algeria, everywhere they for the enter. Now they drag this issue. But we won't be old school. We know where to take place. If our born need the camera, now camera, no, the camera reach police station. Or but why they not still give you camera when you reach police station? This camera won't but they drag today. Now the camera end up in Leatherland police station. Why the camera not reach your hand? Yes, this is your property. The police can't arrest you. You go report to police. The camera, the police hand, police office. If now you get that camera, police go give you the camera, may you carry go house. That's okay. Oh, this camera is not for you. It's for him. You will say yes. Police will say okay. Give this thing to him. The camera is for him. How can a camera go to police station? Cause he reach today, camera not reach your hand. Hey now, wow, my people. Henny, not be so. When Obo show camera, he show police station, he show Ambrose. Why Obo see they drop the camera today? So, as that camera be, police no release that camera from Ambrose hand, can't give Obo. That camera reach police station. Now police, now matter they reach. Now police station, now matter they reach. If somebody come now, he will say, I take it this thing. If police reach my house, you go to find this thing. The police go carry me with this camera. Go. Any statement when they write for me, the statement with this thing, if I write my name, write everything, the hour when they come, they carry me, waiting, they see for my house, police go write am down. If they will ask me, say, this camera, are you the owner of this camera? If now, I'll say, yes, this camera, now, camera. Police will say, okay. What the police go do? You will say, this camera is not for you. You will say, no. Then, they will carry the camera. They put and say, Obo, is this camera for you? Obo will say, yes. Police is going to give you that camera back. Since now that camera, now they bring trouble. Police go give you the camera back. The camera when it reach police station. Now that camera when it reach police station for Leatherland. Obo, Leatherland police no give Obo the camera. Then Ambrose carry the camera and go house. Can you imagine? Who now they talk to sometimes? Because Obo post Ambrose with the camera with police station for Leatherland. Make it repost them again. Make they see am. You people, you are such illiterate. You don't talk to people that is more intelligent than you people. You guys, you always fight with hatred. I don't fight with hatred. I pick something from the word that you guys are dropping on air. I pick it and I bring it out. That is my opinion. If my opinion don't satisfy you, you don't have that audacity and that entrancy. Cause they insult me. Now they crazy. Now go they kill na papa, kill na mama. Can you imagine? See me, my Dalio, Helio, I not call you for cause. Camera reach Leatherland police station. Leatherland, Holland here. Obo poster. Post Ambrose with camera. For polity office. If now you get that camera, why the camera? You see they drive the camera today. Why police no carry the camera? Give it to you as the owner of that camera. Yes. If you say now your camera be that, you must prove it. You will prove the receipt. They give you the day you buy that camera. Everything about that camera, you go even have the picture of that camera. Obo, you didn't bring those things to police station. You didn't give it to police for police to know that this is your camera. This is Europe. Yes, this is Europe. When somebody argues something with you, let me say, if you see a person buy something now, you go quickly record down or you go short down. In case maybe he lost. If you see for somebody hand, she say now your own, you can go for it. You'll say, see mark when I put. Can we see the mark? Can you bring any proof when you resemble this mark? You should bring and they'll say, okay. You now the same mark, now this thing gets. I reason and say, how can this matter reach police station? This camera won't but they draw for how many years? Ogbalegbe no carry this camera give up. Ogbalegbe supposed to give you this camera. My people, am I lying? If you are a commenter here now say you get sense. If matter reach police station, when matter reach police station, camera reach police station for Leatherland, Obo post the camera for platform. Obo abe repost them again. Make the people wey get sense. Make they come ask you say, why Leatherland police no give you this camera? If this camera na your own, why Leatherland no give you? Are you guys? Are you serious? Una welcome. Yes, so you see you are right. Am I not? Yes. Now here we they talk as it be. We know they are John. I know they who are the John. The time when they bring this matter come that time me with Monica will they fight. When this person, King Lady, now he run the video that time. Una when they do video now, una come they talk. Una know they Facebook that time. Now they say una they talk sometimes I go they look una. When it comes to old school, I love old school live live video. And they like am. Now there, now they play. How they play for where this new command day. How they to play for there. When first lady and king lady, now no king lady. When king lady, now king lady run the video. Now the midnight, now king lady they run that video. Una wait because they fight. None of una buy, none of una get for that time. Nobody even know where una dey. Some of una dey for Sabisa Forest. They waka they come. The matter we handle for our hand. Now one come they tell us say you don't know what thing about the matter. Eh? You don't know what thing about the matter. When king lady, when he do video, the video when Obo do, king lady come do that video. Obo call him. As Obo call him, king lady ask Obo say, this particular woman when you they talk to so, you sleep with her. Obo say he no sleep with her. King lady ask him again, and they ask you the second time. King lady still there alive. He ask Obo say, you sleep with this woman. Obo say he no sleep with this woman. Sleeping with woman might be adulterous. When we are talking of adulterous, man sleep with you might be adulterous. Yes, might be adulterous. King lady ask her, Obo, you sleep with her? He said no. He said no sleep with her. Now leg. I carry leg go here. I carry leg go there. Now only waiting on book on top be that. I carry her come. I put her for head. I put her for the head. Only that one on book on top. Now king lady come say, you not fuck this woman. You not enter this woman. Or both king lady say, to be frank and sincere, he not sleep with Monica. Or both talking for king lady live video. Una no king lady. How many of una know king lady? That Igbo lady when he dey Holland for here. How many of you know king lady? How many of you guys? You are just coming. Now just they from you dege, they talk. From you dege, they talk. Now king lady just say, okay, you not sleep with this woman. You say, no. Before you know, okay, you know her. Okay, you know her. Okay. Before you know, now network carry a book amount. I just call in. Now pick king lady. He comes and say, hey, barrister, don't call, oh, barrister. I tell her, say, wait, make I contribute, because all those things. Now I just say, now I can tell Obo say, make not the disgrace himself. Because waiting I want here, I don't already hear her. Waiting I want here. Obo sleep with Monica. Obo say no, he not sleep with Monica. Now it make me call in for king lady live video that time. Because I hear her say Obo say he not sleep with Monica. That is now that one push me to call in for king lady video. Inside that video, king lady with one of the town lady they fight, the lady they London. Now that king lady say, you dey settle issue for you, that you will die your sister. Go and make peace with that your sister first. People when they that platform that they'll say, I love Lincoln, you know they forget something at all. I tell them, I say, go and make peace with your sister. Before you dey settle other people. I king lady come they like, go say, okay. You know, I call him. Now waiting king lady ask. King lady say, he get waiting he want ask you. Why he want ask you? Obo talk truth. You sleep with Monica. Obo say he no sleep with Monica. Why una come for 2020? Cause they talk waiting don't pass 7 to 8 years ago. Now cause they sharp put nyaga as na they sharp. Because that one go fuck Maleke. Now, una come they find how una want to cover that issue. We know now. We know now. Obo confirm Obo if Obo reach native, if Obo reach Juju house now. Na camera now Obo want go draw. Nothing concern Obo concern Toto. Obiaba, Oware tere tedi. Huh? Huh? They already there. And then mama, as a mama, what they tell as a mama say, be careful of lovely. Now me with as a mama, now I'm two of us will never crack their head for this social media. I put opinion for as a mama live video. If you don't want listen, go. When it reach the truth, una no want listen to the truth. Now lie, now they sit down, they listen to. Okay, the question I'm asking now, years back, Obo post the police station when they for judge their matter for Netherlands. Why till now Obo see they draw camera? Obo Ambrose sit down. Police dead here. Camera of Obo dead here. Camera of Obo dead here. At the Matari police station. Obo camera reach police station. Okay, you people now telling me that later now, police can't give the camera to Ambrose. You don't give her to the rightful owner of the camera. You can't give the camera to Ambrose. Police not they release something like that too. They must investigate. Obo, why how the camera tell reach Nigeria? Obo, as you carry this matter go police station, police can't put. Why police not release your camera for you? This is Western world. No, I don't call it use ego global mentality for us. You guys, you cannot work on my brain. Well, they make if somebody now, he give me something, or I leave something for a house. I was one tenant. I leave something for a house. When time reach, me with the person get crash. The something of that person, I don't give it to that person again. Okay, now the person, the Matari police station won't they fight. Police will say, where is the camera? We see the camera for police station. If that camera now Obo camera, I think police could have given it to Obo. I don't know, Obo, I don't know. This your camera. I don't know. For your camera, Obo, I don't understand that. For you sleep with Monica, you don't sleep with Monica. You don't already clear air, say, you not fuck Monica. You clear air in King Lady platform years back. Come see reach today, Obo see they talk and say, he not sleep with Monica. Why Obo they just use this matter to they rob himself? Now so Obo vai carry matter go ewoking. Obo can never bring case come. Obo go win case. Obo vai get one matter when he carry go ewoking. As they reach ewoking, the people win the case on top of Obo head. You know what they worry Obo, you then feel say you know something. Sometimes they listen to advice. Listen to advice. I understand. The camera reach police station. So I beg una still get that camera, make una post am. As Obo say, this camera reach Netherlands police station, police office. Obo, why police no give you this camera? Why police no give Obo the camera? Because we see when Obo bring the camera come with the Ambrose for police station. My people, we not see police for there. We not see police. That camera, that picture won't carry come out. That picture was not fake. It was real because the day police station that day. The day police station that day. Okay, you want to tell me now, say, police not gonna give you the camera. Ha! The light don't too much, Mary Janet. I don't know the one when I want to believe again. Just a question, my darling. Make it block that video again. You know, if these people don't take lovely the Chris, lovely the man, I dare have my Azamama war. They want to they saga me for Azamama war. We know they use Azamama war till they do saga. We they narrate the story how it be. Azamama asked me some question just now. I give the question to Azamama. Yes. If I want talk put for, if I want give opinion, I'm not gonna just carry this thing just they talk. I must get my answer clear when I go give. When they say, Papa, leave me first. When they say, I don't give the answer, the question when they ask me, if they say I don't give them the answer, and for their mind say the answer not truth, say I kill her. That's why they say run for lovely, run for lovely. Me with Azamama, and like this we be sugar and tea. When I don't carry this matter, I can't go Azamama war. Not be Azamama one and they fight. All of them are not run for Azamama. Not be me contact with Azamama. Now I don't reach my town and I don't run go meet Azamama. When I reach, Papa leave me first. When I reach Azamama war just now, and different comment people. I go there. Did he Azamama? Did he Azamama people not there? Did he Azamama people they not they comment to? Now another one. Now they come they comment. That is Azamama they the one a day. I beg you, not 2 years. That is yeah. They ask you just back 8 years ago now. King Lady ask Obo. He tell Obo say he get one thing when I want ask you. Only way I want ask you, you sleep with Monica. Obo talking for King Lady platform say no, he don't fuck Monica. Obo talking with him mouth. Can't reach today. Obo still they talk and say he not sleep with Monica. Then why Obo they carry juju? Obo, are you carrying this juju for your camera? I sure say that because of camera, right? They carry juju. You want let them give you that camera so that make we rest? I don't understand. People, you are terrible. So una don't want not go school. Let me say when the intelligent one are talking, you people una go like so they come they say lovely they crazy. One person want to say lovely na doctor's woman. Who be that man? Who be the doctor way born that man? He mean lovely. I call one useless man will come their house. I call it the useless man for house. I can't go they fuck another man for outside. Instead of me to leave useless man for her, go they fuck another man for outside. I don't go drive the useless man. Carry the one when I like. I go carry a con. I know they hide fuck. I know they hide they do something. People not rich of the world when I go they hide for. How can you hide for people? At the end of the day, your secret will still leak. I not be that kind of person. Nonsense, useless children. Since all of them, man for mama platform. Mama, they run for lovely. Now you want tell mama may run for me. When I don't fair go tell mama that they say, may mama come fight me. How many times I want tell mama may fight me? Now let me with as a mama never fight for this social media now. Now I fight, now they want make we fight. No, worry, we'll use the fight to take tire now. I don't understand. This camera, well, but they talk every day. This camera enter Netherlands police. Why Netherlands police not carry the camera for your hand? Give you a camera for our bros, huh? Give you that year. I bet our brother when I go on the camera ni cheche poster so that people will know say wait and they talk. Say I know they lie. Post time because we see the camera. My me on the camera, born where money camera. You put on for you blog the camera. I bet Obo carry the camera come again. How can a case go reach police station? They no fit solve case for Netherlands. You no fit carry case come Netherlands police when be say they no go solve. Instead of to carry the district give one person, they go keep the camera. They go investigate for that camera. Even if say now 20 years, Netherlands go investigate for that camera. Who get them? Are you serious? Are you serious? Now, so my darling, they don't want me you start for today. They want me I can't follow them. I don't follow anybody. I've been on this social media. I have been here. When I never buy phone. You know how many phone when I don't do this live video. You know phone. You don't say phone they kill live video where. You know how many phone. That faithful day where King Lady ask Obo question. Una don't enter Europe. Most of una dey Europe. Una don't get smartphone to log in. You people, you don't have smartphone to log in. Shut up. When I don't call the cat say lovely. They mad or good they buy una way they mention mine. They have been a mate. Or good they buy una mama. And since have been a mate. Very useless people. Case when reach police station. Police no fit judge the matter. Now Facebook want to judge the matter. Juju. Because which juju? Which juju? Una don't carry Ayelala don't tire. Ayelala not even answer now. Ayelala si say now, una they play. Ayelala people they use una they play. If the truth to say the way one take they pull life for person, but the same way the truth carry una swear for una. Una not going to last for this Facebook. You guys, you are so funny. Irrelevant people. Then when they bought phone, buy phone 2 years ago, last year, 4 years ago, they will come the same message for me, message to Lovely. You go to kill your papa. They mad. This useless comment around the shame. As most of them now say, who be that live video presenter when he top put for Bo and Monica matter that time? Who be that live video presenter? And the live video presenter now, you know if you there here again. I know they see King Lady again. King Lady asked Obo, when Obo was live with King Lady, he asked, and King Lady asked and said, did you sleep with this woman? He asked, and King Lady said, why I'm asking you? Because if they like truth, you sleep with this woman. King Lady asked Obo, reach 2 times. Even mother. Even you want even thought to swear self. King Lady said, they go carry out King Lady talk at that time say, now truth. Now you want to judge this. You don't want to say me with person they fight, this one they fight. No. You go fit swear, put the truth of the matter. Now both tell King Lady say, he don't sleep with Monica. Now only King Lady, now be the live video presenter. Now be that first live video presenter. When he don't talk for person matter. King Lady is the first live video presenter. When they do something, he sit down, he talk for that matter. They call in. People when even call in that time, they don't even reach. They're not even rich people because that time they're not rich. Nobody they call in that time. You know, say no one made they hear my voice. So this one said they will hear my voice. So this who they can't release their voice before. We go call. Well, I won't go my voice. Then they put something for me they talk that time. Now I can't grow feather. When me, I go use it or stay cut and put for my body. And they crazy. Hey, make una shift go that side. I want go bath now. I roll something for face. I bet more na Krishota. I wake up just and I roll something for my face because some ratchets can't take my face. It can't black. I can't want make the ratchets come out. You know? And I made the constant Krishota. Why Krishota? Oh, later they'll say now so your face be. They don't know who rock something. They don't know who no rock something. They be mumu. I feel open my toto for gram. No na Krishota. No na they use until they share the good. They say I they shame me. The time when they grow, they come and they fight, they throw away clothes. Now let pint and preserve go come remain. I said, this matter of if a boy talk one, he go talk camera. Or this camera reach police station. Why the camera not reach your hand? I can't reason and say, you know say this obo matter be no one top put. I can't reason and say, this camera reach Ledaland police station. Why Obo see carry a camera for police station? Why this camera no see reach Obo hand for police station? Where did they carry reach Ledaland? The whole Ledaland. Ledaland then they go remove your eyeball, chook am for water, check am where. When you talk say, country they search, come to Ledaland. Now it make you see say people know they come to seek asylum for Ledaland anyhow. If they hold you for Ledaland, you go run mad. Okay, they went to court too. Okay. Feda say they went to court too. They went to court too. The camera no see reach your hand. Which kind of camera can be that one? Obo, you know waiting. As genocide issue come, waiting for do. I don't even see any talk when you can't talk put. You said genocide no feel resist Pisilia. Genocide body, na young boy, egbeleli genocide body de lelera. You know? Because if the truth touch you, now you can come out they talk. If the true touch you, you know, say when they talk at that time, they talk at that time, they talk at that time. I say, I will say the woman when say they touch you, if they touch you that time, you not go feel resistant, you go pack common for the house. You not go feel resistant. You can't see dead the house. Man go come they touch my prick, go come stand. How? Who born you? Your prick not they stand. That man prick not they stand. Now you can't feel resist woman. Here, nobody dead here. Man, no matter how that man go only rich. Afternoon, how you day, my darling? Only time I'll come down they bring something. You for talk for Osage matter or bo, you for just go. You for just good. I will say just talk for Osage matter, you just go. For talk Osage say, now friendship when you see friend, I don't see the disgrace on yourself put, everybody go know. Now they can't just say you resist. Wait till you resist. Wait till you resist. No man when you resist woman. When be say your ubola. Don't stand. You know what it be ubola? The vibration of the ubola. Make na seba poor. Make na seba poor. Make true they let you they talk. Camera. They say go Awosonba. If you reach Awosonba, what do you want to Awosonba? Now camera, now you carry reach Awosonba. No be another thing. You cannot tell me now say, for Awosonba now, Awosonba will talk, okay, this woman when you want to call now, you fucker. You say no, you not fucker. Awosonba got to say, why you can't they call a person when you don't fuck? No be saying now the person when you get to turn now he drag you. Go Awosonba say, native doctor fuck my wife, oh. No. Who the fuck your wife? Now they drag person go away here. Say this person, he fuck my wife. Because say, una they use juju till they don't like the life for social media. Me, if una like, make una carry juju come they talk. I don't send una juju. Hi, good afternoon. How you doing, Vivian? I don't send una juju. Oh, bro. You don't try, you don't say, tu can't go the you go use to take care of your family. Come reach today, the family is still there. For 16 years, when you with that day, before I come see problem, come reach today. The family, they are still living good, living okay, living the way normal people are supposed to live. Why did you continue if matter come? You go to find the way when you want to bring your own. Since Ujoa, when you joy a joa or a jale, and then when joa be joe, where can go on? And I'm not so, Monica, I call her leg, Monica, I call her hand. Where will they ask you now? You enter the toto. Where on the only man, where you're going now, where I want it. You use your mouth to say, you know for the toto. Why you come there, carry load to put for your head? I don't understand though. Go Jerry. What about doctor? You carry what about with basic soto? Udo, u now do we basic. U don't know muhe. Udo work aki muhe. U kake de otache. You don't that is something sometimes. And how come they look? They ask King Lady, ask you. King Lady still there alive today. To see, don't tell. Maybe some people come they say, who be King Lady? Who be King Lady? Now the old school for life, they go no King Lady. Now they go no King Lady. King Lady ask you, that woman, she not there here now. Her spirit, there here with me. If not let that word I hear for King Lady platform that day, I was satisfied. Everybody was putting ear. People watched King Lady that day. That is the first day when King Lady don't hit almost how many, like 400. King Lady come and say, see people don't take my platform more. King Lady don't ask you. May I tell you that faithful day, what King Lady they do? When King Lady they ask you that something, King Lady they smoke cigar. Everybody dead here. This my brain, this my eye. No use and let me touch something. Once I use my eye to touch something, my brain go magnet. I'm a very intelligent person. I don't forget something so quick. Because you know why I know they forget something, I know they lie. Now people when they lie, now they know they remember something. People that always lie, they don't they remember anything. Now people will not they lie. Anything when you talk 10 years ago, they will come analyze them for you. King Lady asked Obo, did you sleep with Monica? Obo say, no, he go talk truth. He not sleep with Monica. He not sleep with Monica. Now wait till talk be that. King Lady say, wait till happen. You say Monica say, may come massage your leg. Now wait till we hear. You say Monica say, may come massage your leg. No be wait till you talk. Now wait till you talk. But you not talk or say to maybe you with somebody fit there or something. Maybe the person take you as a brother. Yeah. You know, say, get where people go there house together, they'll tell your brother, but this is my leg. Come help me stretch. You say, may you come massage your leg. Now wait till or both talk. Say Monica say, may come help and massage leg. No be waiting you talk. Now I make Ijore say, why do they jump up and down? Ijore was right. Why you they jump up and down? Now I keep ready to say, okay, he said, may you massage the leg. He said, yes. He said, bet, you not fuck the woman. He tell King Lady say, he not sleep with Monica. He said, even he say with Monica get problem, he said, he not sleep with Monica. He massage Monica leg. Now waiting or both talk. Because lunatic don't fool Facebook. Haters don't fool Facebook. Or bossy say haters don't fool Facebook. Now both they bring different pepper. If you not bring Cameroon pepper today, go bring Ghana pepper. If you not bring Ghana pepper, you go bring Ishan pepper. If you not bring Ishan pepper, you go bring Auchi pepper. If you not bring Auchi pepper, you go bring Bini pepper. I beg you, make una go that side. Make una not they go me John now. My way is very different. Everyone gonna say I go different. As una see me so, everyone gonna say or different. I not John now. I know they say lovely, can't talk like this. No. I totally hold don't whisper my ear. I don't need that. If I want talk, nobody you go tell me say talk like this. Now you see if I dey talk sometimes, some people will say even if you say carry phone, say lovely talk like this. Lovely not they hear. Now we see truth. Now come. When I just a mama platform just now. They want turn as a mama platform to where they fight.